Knob and tube wiring was put in up to 1930. We cannot today guarantee knob and tube is safe because we cannot inspect the knob and tube solder connections. Hi, I'm Donald Miller, certified master electrician. I've been a master electrician for 18 years now. I specialize in the remediation of knob and tube wiring. Whenever someone's looking for a knob and tube rewire, the first question I would ask is, do you guarantee the integrity of the plaster? If you don't know how to work on plaster, even though you could be a master electrician, you shouldn't rewire knob and tube. During a knob and tube remediation, we're sectioning off the home to rebuild a balanced power grid. I focused on building a company that specializes in working on older homes the correct way, not to damage the quality of the home.